Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Mission SSC CGL CHSL series. So today is day number 5 and we are going with respect to few sort of examples which are very important for your examinations, right? So let's see audio, video, everything is fine or any sort of disturbance. Meanwhile, give me in the chat box if you are facing any sort of issues, right? Yes. Okay. Yes, everything is fine. So without wasting any time, let's start today's session. Finally, quickly join. Why? Because session is about to start. Make sure that try to share to your friends maximum so that they can get a benefit of these particular kinds of examples, right? So hello everyone, right? So everything is fine. So let's start the session. So find the missing. The first question comes from analogy. Analogy stands for simultaneous relationship between the letters or elements or numbers or words or whatever it is, right? So clock is related to time. Similarly, thermometer is related to what? Okay. So any answer? No answer so far. So in clock we used to check time. Similarly, in thermometer we will be checking temperature. That can be in Fahrenheit. That will be in Fahrenheit. Absolutely. So question number 1, answer will be option number D. Right? Nice. Very good. Okay. Sona and Deepika, both of you. Now, next let me take you to number analogy. So number analogy. So make sure that whenever you can find two dots or two columns, it is called as an analogy. Right? Analogy means a simultaneous relationship. That means whatever the relation that is present in the first two numbers, the same relation, the exact relation should be present between the second two numbers also. Right? So see, 11 is to 1210 is analogous to what? Right? So just see this question. So quickly see and tell me what does your answer say? So I can say 11 square is 121. 121 into 10 is 1210. Right? Similarly, if you look at the options, 6 square is 36. 36 into 10, 360. No chance. 7 square, 49 into 10, 490. You can see units digit is 0 in no options. Right? That means the logic is not based on this particular pattern. Right? So let's change the pattern. So I can definitely say that 11 cube is 1331. Similarly, 11 square is 121. So if you subtract 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, 13 minus 1 12, 1210. So the cube and square difference, right? So now here if I look at the options, so 6 cube is 216, 6 square is 36. So the difference between these two is not 216, so you can ignore option number A. Similarly, you can ignore option number B also. Why? Because 7 cube is 343, but here he has given as 1029. No chance. So if I go with respect to option C, option D, no chance. Why? Because 9 cube is 729, 9 square is 81. 729 minus 81, but here he has given as 729. So obviously, I can say option number C just by eliminating. Right? In order to cross verify, see, 8 cube stands for 512. 8 square stands for 64. So 512 minus 64. So 12 minus 4, 8. 50 minus 6, you can call it as 44. So that's why your answer is option number C. Right? So I hope the logic is clear. Right? Yes. Chalo. Now, look at this particular question purely based on letter series. So in letter series, just count the number of letters and try to split into multiples. That is the easiest way. Or that is the only way you can say. Right? So see, So check this one. Quickly join the session. Kindly share to your friends. Okay. No answer so far. So let me count the number of the answer I got. Like no answer. Okay. So just see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can find 15 letters followed by blanks. So if there are 15, you can cut into multiples of 3 or you can cut into multiples of 5. Right? In the initial process, I'll go with multiples of 3. So see, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3 5s are 15. So here you can see there are only 3 elements, D, A and the other one is N. Right? So here, let's see. Here, if I put N, D, N, A. Here, N is missing, you can put NAD. Just blindly I am saying. Why? Because there are only 3 elements, A, D and N. Similarly, here A, N is there, D is not there. So you can put D. Similarly, here D and A is present, you can put A, D and A. Similarly, NA is there, D is missing, you can put a D. Right? So specifically, if you see DNA and DNA, first and fourth. Similarly, NAD and NAD, second and fifth. So the pattern is being followed as this. So here the answer should be double N, D and D, which is present in option number C. Okay, so I got answer from Sona. Option number C will be your answer. N, N, D and D by using multiples of 3. Right? Yes. Now let's go for the question based on Silox. So just see this question and tell me what does your answer say. No answer so far? Yeah. All hen are kite. All kite are red. Then some red are not blue. Right? Yes. Now look at given question. What does conclusion say? So neither one or two I am getting one answer. Sona is also saying none follows. Let's see. Some kite is not blue. Virajo is saying one follow. Okay, let's see. Some kite is not blue. See, the relation between red and blue is some not. But the relation between kite and blue we exactly don't know. That's why you can say conclusion number 1 will be treated as false. Simple. Right? Similarly, look at 2. What does 2 say? Some blue is not red. Yesterday also we have seen the similar type of question. So here the relation between red and blue is some not. But the relation in reverse, blue and red, is we don't know exactly. So that's why you can say conclusion number 2 will be also not follows. Right? So ultimately our answer for this particular question is neither 1 nor 2 follows. As simple as that. So make sure that in some not the relation can be only in forward, not in backward. Okay? Yeah. That. Go for next question. Let's see what does your answer say. So some lizards are peacocks. Some lizards are peacocks, and all the peacocks are mangoes. MG. Right? Now, look at conclusion number 1. What does conclusion number 1 say? One follow, only two follow, neither nor. Chalo, let's see. All mangoes are peacocks. See, the relation between peacock and mangoes is all. The relation between mangoes and peacock is some. Some mangoes are peacocks, but all mangoes are not peacocks from the given diagram. So you can say 1 does not follow. Now look at 2. What does 2 say? Some lizards are mangoes. So as I have said the shaded part. So this shaded part says some lizards which are what? Mangoes, which is true. Right? So that's why our answer for this particular question is only 2 follows. Right? Very good everyone. Veeraju, I hope it is clear. Conclusion number 1. Okay. Now look at this question purely based on coding and decoding. Specifically you can say number coding. Number coding. So this is one of the easiest question of today's session. Icon 2310, noise 01245, sense is coded as what? Icon 2310. Any answer? No answer so far. Janaki has joined, 2 follows. Okay. Noise 01245, sense. See, whenever you can find 2 different words, especially in number coding, whenever you find 2 different words, compare the common letters present in the both the given words. So just by seeing, I can say I stands for 9, right? O stands for 1, just by seeing without doing anything. Now check whether the letters in the given question are there in the given data or not. So sense, SE and SE. So we know that SE stands for 4 5. That means my answer should start with 4 5 and end with 4 5. So blindly you can say there is only one option. What is that option? Option number B. Right? Everyone has given option number B. Absolutely. So N stands for, in icon you can find N, or you can say in noise you can find N. Right? So N stands for 0. So 45045. That's what our answer is. Now look at this question. Just see and tell me what does your answer say. So this is one of the different question in today's session. So don't get confused. Check why it is not possible and why your answer is only possible. Right? Check in that format. That time it will be useful. Go for different kinds of options. Different kinds of parameters which are being given. Right? Okay. I didn't get any answer so far. B, B, B. Okay. Here I am getting answer B. Janaki is saying A. Sona is also saying A. Right? See. Men, boys, and football players. See, all boys are men, or you can say all men are boys. Reverse also doesn't matter. And football players. See, all boys not necessary to be football players. So that's why you can say option number D can be eliminated. Right? See, boys you can put here, men you can put here, football players you can put here, but boys can also be football players na, in their initial stages. So that's why you can eliminate option number C also. Right? Similarly, here boys, all boys should be men na? Or all men are boys, you can say. All men are boys, but here football players. If I put like this, from this particular context, I am getting all men are football players. Not necessary that all men are football players. Some men are football players. Not necessary to be all. So that's why you can eliminate option number B also. So the best possible option is option number A, as everyone has said. Okay. All men are boys and some boys are football players as well as some men are football players. Absolutely. Option number A will be our answer. Right? Yes. Now look at this particular question. See and tell me what does your answer say. Find the number of squares in the following figure. Check and tell me what does your answer say. Number of squares. Okay. Right. Okay. See, whenever you can find this shape, I can say that there are 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bigger one 5. So just to see. So here you can expect 5. Okay. Similarly, understand carefully. Balu is saying 18. Janaki is saying 14. Let's see. Again, see here. Here also you can find the same shape. 5 plus in the center. Okay. Here also you can say 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. 15 are over. Right. Now check for the combinations. Understand carefully. This is also one square, the bigger one. Right. So here also there should be 5 squares. But this square is already added. And this square is already added in these 5 5. Initial 5 5. So you need not add that again. So what is left? This one, and the bigger one. So 1, 2, and the third one, which is nothing but the bigger square. So 15 plus 3, you can call it as 18. Absolutely, there are 18 squares in this particular figure. Right? Yes. Okay. Balu, Rahim, Deepika is saying 16. No, dear. The answer is 18. Okay. Now look at this particular question purely based on arithmetical reasoning. Arithmetic reasoning. What rule? Apply and tell me which of the following two signs should be interchanged to make the following equation correct. That means you have to prove LHS equals to RHS. So this is LHS and this is RHS. That means whatever the result comes by using 40, 20, 50, 10 and 4, the resultant should be equals to 40. That's what the question says. Right? So just see and tell me. 40 divided by 20 plus 50 minus 10 into 4 equals to 40. Veerraju is saying option number C. Minus and divided by should be interchanged. Okay. Any other answer? So for these kinds of questions, if you see, there is no shortcut. Directly you can pick any option and check which one is possible or not. Right? For example, I am taking option number D. Right? For example, 40 plus and divided by interchange. Divided by, 40 plus 20 divided by 50 minus 10 into 4. According to Bodmer's rule, first priority is for division. 40 plus 20 by 50, 2 by 5. Right? So 2 by 5 means you can simply say it is 0.4. That means I'm getting point values. But I don't want point values. I need to prove it is equals to 40. Right? So that's why you cannot take option number D. D. You can ignore. Let's check with option C. Why? Because I'm getting option C as the answer. Right? So in option C, what he is saying, minus and divided by should be interchanged. Right? So 40 minus 20 plus 50 divided by 10 into 4 equals to 40. So first priority is for division. plus 50 divided by 10, 5 into 4 equals to 40. So 40 minus 20 plus 20 equals to 40. Plus 20 and minus 20 will get cancelled. So 40 equals to 40. Absolutely, you can pick option number C. Right? Nice. Very good. Very good. Now, look at this particular question. Just see and tell me what does your answer say. This question is purely based on arrangement of a particular number of persons. Right? See what's the answer for the previous one. Absolutely. Okay. See, the height of A and B is equal. A equals to B. C is shorter than A. C shorter means less than. So you can arrange in increasing order or decreasing order. That means A is greater than C. Simple. So as A and B both are equal, so B is greater than C. D is shorter than E means D is less than E. In reverse, E is greater than D. But taller than B. So here but refers to the first person. Who is the first person? D. So D is taller than who? B. So here I am getting option number C is the answer. Let's see. Now E, D, B. You can put these three persons in the initial. Why? Because A and B both are equal. E, D comes B. So then find who is the tallest. So out of these five people, this person is the tallest. So who is that person? Option number C. E is the tallest person. Right? Yes, absolutely. So now go for this question. See and tell me what does your answer say. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So this question comes from jumbling. So see and tell me what is your answer. Option number C, absolutely. Right? Janaki, Deepika, Balu, Sona. Right? Nice. Very good. Now look at this question. Arrange the numbers into ascending order. So you are supposed to arrange all these numbers in ascending order. So Janaki is saying C. So you can find 8 is the number which is present at the first place. Then 6, 4, 2, 3, 5. So 2 comes first. Ascending means small to big. So C should be first. So in the options as you observe, C will be first. In which option? Option number C. So after 8, 2 you can call it as 8, 3. After 8, 3 you can call it as 8, 4. After 8, 4, 8, 5. And after 8, 5 it is the case of 8, 6. C, D, B, E, A which is present in option number C. Right? Nice. Very good. Now look at this question based on number set. Number set. Number set based question. 6, 13 and 22. 6, 13 and 22. Right? So this is the easiest question, not that bigger logic here. So here you can see if you find numbers which are a little bit near, go for addition or subtraction, whatever it is. Right? So I can say that 6 plus 7 is 13 and 13 plus 9 is 22. Right? Similarly, check in the options whether the same is being satisfied or not. So here you can see 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 14 is 27. So you cannot take this, no chance. Why? Because the logic is plus 7 as well as plus 9 in the similar way. 10 plus 6, 16, no chance. 11 plus, just a moment. Yeah, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 9, 27. Remaining everything you can ignore. Right? So the best possible option according to this particular number set is option number C. 11, 18 and 27. No issue with that. Yes, Balu, option number C will be our answer. Now go for this question. See and tell me what does your answer say. 992, 733, 845, 632. So this is one of the different question. Let's see how many of you will solve this question. Rahim MD is saying option number C. Let's see. Nine nine two, 733, 845, and 6. See, this is not a traditional number series. For example, if you see 992, 733, 845, 632, so that they are alternatively increasing and decreasing series, right? Okay, but here specifically if you see in this particular pattern, yeah, 9 2, you can say alternating pattern, but the logic according to this particular question is see 992, 9 into 2, 18, 1 plus 8, which is equals to 9. So the middle number is digital sum of first and third number. Are you getting? Let's see. 733. Deepika is saying 450, sorry, 425. Let's see. 7 3 is a 21. 2 plus 1, which is equals to what? 3. 845. 8 5s are 40. 4 plus 0, 4. 620. 632. 6 into 2, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly, if you see here, 144. 1 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. Sorry, 1 4s are 4. Middle number should be 4, but here you have got 1. No chance. So 3 6 are 18. 1 plus 8, 9. No chance. 4 5s 20. 2 plus 0, which is equals to 2. So you can go for option number C. Similarly, 9 sevens are 63. 6 plus 3 is 9, not 4. So middle number is product of extreme numbers. As simple as that. Right? Yes. Now, look at this question. See and tell me what does your answer say. 51, 11, 62, 73, 135. Yes, 425 was the answer for the previous question. Absolutely. So go for this question. 51, 11, 62, 73, and 135. So see, no answer so far. Chalo, let's see. 51 plus 11, 62. 11 plus 62, 73. Right? So here the sum of the previous two numbers, whatever they are present. Similarly, 62 plus 73, 135. 135 plus 73. So here you cannot find any exact pattern. They are continuing, they are decreasing, increasing alternatively in today's special session, especially if you see 73 plus 135. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 13 plus 7 is 20. So you can say 208 will be the answer. Okay, right. Now look at this question. See and tell me what does your answer say. So this is one of the very interesting question of today's session. Very interesting question as well as important also. Let's see. 208. 208 was the answer for the previous question. Yes. Okay. Deepika is saying A. Chalo, let's see. See. 748 plus 3, 751. 363 plus 3, 366. You cannot find 366 in the options. Make sure that this is analogy. Here you can find double columns. Whenever double columns are there, analogy first half should resemble second half. It's not like that initially you have done 3, in the next phase you are doing with 6. It should not be like that. Whatever the pattern is being followed in the left hand side of the column should be same with respect to right hand column also. Okay. Now let's see what is the logic in this question. 369 Deepika is saying. Yeah, she has changed the answer. 748. Okay. So I can say that 748 plus 3 is 751. So how this 3 has come means in 748, 7 plus 4 minus 8. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 minus 8 which is equals to 3. Okay. So the sum of first two digits and subtract the middle last digit. Similarly, if you look at 363, so 363 plus 3 plus 6 minus 3. So plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled 6. So 363 plus 6 simply becomes 369, which is according to option number C. Right? So I hope this particular pattern is clear. Okay. Next question. So look at this particular question. This is also one of the interesting question, you can say. Interesting logic. Different logic, you can say. So 12 into 11. See here, into means not necessary to be multiplication. It can be anything. Not necessary to be multiplication. Remember. Okay. Yeah. So I'll be telling you the logic. See, 12 into 2 is 24. 2 into 4 is 8. Similarly, 11 into 2 is 22. 2 into 2 is 4. 8 plus 4, which is equals to 12. As I said, it is different. Similarly, 13 into 2 is 26. 2 6 are 12. Similarly, 16 into 2 is 32. 3 2s are 6. So 12 plus 6, which is equals to how much? 18. Apply the same pattern here with respect to the third one. 32 into 2, 64. 6 into 4, which is equals to 24. 14 into 2 is 28. 2 into 8 is 16. So 24 plus 16, which is equals to how much? 40. Right? So logics will be in this particular format also. Right? So make sure that whenever the numbers are given, see, with respect to the topper and with respect to the other people, the person who is scoring, the difference is not more than what you say. The difference is not that much more. Okay, that purely depends on the cutoff. But make sure that whenever you can apply or implement these kinds of different logics, then you will be in the list which is being above the cutoff. Right? So the difference between the persons who are scoring more and V is the same. Okay, so try to go with respect to different kinds of logic and try to implement for the same. Right? Now look at this particular question based on missing number. Missing number. This also you can say different logic. Yeah. What is the answer, Deepika? The previous question. Now look at this. So here you can see column 3 numbers are big, but they are not that much big. 12, 13, 15, 12. But here I need a row 4 based number, not with respect to the previous thing. Okay. So if you specifically see, concentrate on these 3 columns. 8 plus 7 plus 3. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 divided by 3, you can call it as 6. That means column 2 base numbers are result, you can say. Apply the same here. 9 plus 8 plus 7. 9, 8, 7. So 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. So the logic is divided by 3. So 24 divided by 3, the answer is 8. Obviously, if you go for the next numbers, 12 plus 15 plus 12. 12 plus 15, 27. 27 plus 12, 39. So 39 divided by 3, you can call it as 13. Right? Janaki is saying option number D. Let's cross verify. 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 divided by 3. The answer is what? 2. So you can go with respect to option number D. Right? Yes. Then. Now look at this question and tell me what does your answer say? Answer class. Okay, sorry for the delay. It was an urgent call. So here I got the answer 30. Yes. So Rani ranks 16th from top and 15th from bottom in a class. How many students are there in total? So total. Both are same, na? 16 plus 15 minus 1. 30. Why this minus 1 means I have added these two persons twice. So that's why I have this person twice. That's why once. Right? Now look at this question. See and tell me what does your answer say? Abandoned. The following question from the given alternative word, select the word which cannot be formed. Okay, cannot be formed. Okay, no answer so far. Bland is the word. Why? Because you cannot find L in the given word. That's right. Right. Yes, option C. Now look at this question. If 2 days after tomorrow is Friday, then what day of the week will be 2 days before yesterday? some sort of question which is little bit confusing and related to the concept called characters. So you can say today, tomorrow, yesterday, right? So now answer so far. If 2 days after tomorrow, so this is tomorrow, first day, second day is Friday. So if this is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, and this is Tuesday, right? I'm getting Monday, Sunday, Sunday. Observe carefully. Then what day of the week will be 2 days before yesterday? So this is yesterday, this is first day, this is second day. That means this will be Monday, this will be Sunday, and this will be Saturday. So 2 days before yesterday is Saturday. You can go with respect to option number A. Am I clear? Confirm once. 2 days after tomorrow. So after tomorrow, 2 days you need to go. So 2 days after tomorrow is Friday, right? That means today will be Tuesday. So what will be the day which will be 2 days before yesterday? So yesterday, 2 days before, which is nothing but Saturday, right? So as I said, a little bit confusing, but stick to the sentence which has been given, right? Now look at this question. What does your answer say? A clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, thrice at 3 o'clock, and so on. How many times will it strike in 24 hours? Okay, right? So 1 o'clock once, 2 o'clock twice, 3 o'clock thrice, and so on. 12 o'clock 12 times. So till 1 to 12 it is 12 hours. But basically, according to the question, you can see 24 hours. Again, the clock will come to 1 again. After 12, it will be coming to 1 again. 1 p.m. you can say. So 1 p.m. also again once, twice, etc. Again 12. Or you can say you can just multiply by 2 times from 1 to 12. So you can say this is an arithmetic progression from 1 to 12. Sum of n terms. In order to find sum of n terms, the value is n into n plus 1 by 2. Right? So n is nothing but the last number. What is the last number? 12. So 12 into 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. So 2 12s are 6. So 13 6 are 78. So this is from 1 to 12. Again from 1 to 12. Nah? Why? Because 24 hours. Or you can say 2 times 78, which is equals to 156. So you can go with respect to option number A, 156. As simple as that. Okay. Now look at this question based on direction. A and B start from a same point. Yeah, 156 is the answer, right? So A and B start from a same point. A walks 17 meters west, then turns to his right. The west right is north, 11. The same time B walks 9 north, 9. Turns east, 7. Then left, 2. East left is north. So 9 plus 2 you can call it as 11. No problem. So let's say this is the point called B. Where is B? Now with respect to the position of A. So A is here, B is here. So both will be in the same straight line. So if you see the distance, this is 17 up to here, and this is 7. So 17 plus 7, which is equals to how much? 24 meters. And what is this direction? East is this direction. So you can pick option number 8. No problem in that, right? Yes, easy one. Now look at this question. Saho's birthday is celebrated on 28th August, Sunday. On which day of the week will be Shyam's birthday in the same year if Shyam was born on 19th December? Same concept. You need to travel from August month to December month, right? So August, September, October, November, December. So we know that August is consisting of 31 days, right? So 28th August is Sunday. It is given, right? So August 28th is Sunday. So August month is consisting of 31 days. So 28 days are over. How many days are left? 3. Similarly, September. September month is consisting of 30 days. So 30 by 7. How many odd days? 2 odd days. Similarly, October 3. November 30 days, 2 odd days. December you can pick 19. You can strike off the numbers which are multiples of 7. 19 plus 2, 21, which is multiple of 7. You can simply ignore. So if you see 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 divided by 7. The remainder is 1. That means you are supposed to add one day to the given day, which is nothing but Sunday. So if you add one day to Sunday, it simply becomes Monday. So the answer for this particular question will be Monday. Right, Balu, nice, very good. Sona, very good. Similar. Look at this question. See and tell me what does your answer say. How many triangles are there in the figure? How many triangles are there in the given figure? Yes, Deepika, Monday is the answer. Absolutely. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Individual you need to do. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, it is 15. Plus here, 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly, 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Here if you see, section is not uniform, right? So 6 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 12. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 15, 27. So the answer for this particular question is option number A, 27. Right? Yes. Now just go for the last question in today's session. Embedded figure or hidden figure, you can say. So you can find this particular shape in which option? That's what the question says. So this is an easy question. So this shape here you can say you can find this shape in option number, provided you can eliminate the other options. Right? Very good, everyone. So that's all for today. You can download this particular PDF from our Telegram channel. Thank you. Meanwhile, stay home, stay safe, and preparation should never stop. Right? Thank you, everyone. We'll continue the session in Monday. So tomorrow there won't be any class. So the next class will be on Monday. Right? Thank you. Thank you, everyone.